Welcome back everyone. In today's quick tips video I will demonstrate how to press a dual-sided cotton shirt when working with VersiFlex. To get started, I am going to print the following design from Print Utility. I'll make sure that the product is set to cotton, and I am printing onto letter-sized paper, so I will choose the appropriate paper size. Once these settings are applied, I am now ready to send the project to my VersiFlex printer. One thing to consider when printing out a dual-sided VersiFlex project is that VersiFlex does print as wet ink. That means that when you print out your designs, you should only print one page at a time. If you allow the second page to go over the top of the first page, it will cause the ink to smear. Once the design has been printed, it is ready to be pressed. To do so, I will lay the design face down onto the first side of our cotton shirt. I recommend that you cover the paper with blowout paper to prevent any ink from leaking onto the press. I will then close the heat press to begin the transfer process. For a cotton shirt, I will press this project at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds using high levels of pressure. I would also recommend that you do a pre-press of a few seconds beforehand to remove excess moisture from the shirt. Once the press has been completed, I will then quickly and firmly peel our paper away from the shirt to reveal our completed design. Now that the first side of the shirt has been pressed, I am ready to move on to the second side. The process for pressing the backside of the shirt will be the same. The only change I recommend now is to place blowout paper on both sides of the design. That way I can protect both the top and bottom of the heat press from any ink stains. I will once again press my design at 375 degrees for another 30 seconds. Once it is complete, I will peel away the paper and I will be finished with my double-sided VersiFlex shirt. My cotton shirt is now ready to wear and is completely machine washable. That's all for today's video. See you next time.